Shalom.
A quick little demo of how we might use a story that is a rhyming book to make it into a song book to help capture the attention of our littlest learners. This one's called Before We Eat. It's a thank you prayer. We do this one all the time. Bread and butter on my plate. I'm so hungry, I can't wait. But before I take a bite, I say some words that feel just right. Hamotzi is a thank you prayer, telling God how much I care. Good food, a home, a family are gifts that God has given me. Baruch atah Adonai, Eloheinu melech haolam, hamotzi lechem min haaretz. Amen. Thank you to God for the blessing of bread and for the meal which we all now enjoy. Amen. That's the end. That's the story. Simple as that.